everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to hide phone number in Facebook. So for that, what you need to do is tap open the Facebook application. Once you have opened your Facebook app, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. There you go to Setting and Privacy. Inside Setting and Privacy, tap on Settings. From here, you need to tap on Personal and Account Information. Inside Personal and Account Information, you tap on Contact Info, that is over here on the second option, tap that. Now from there on the Manage Account Info, you need to click on the phone number that you want to hide, tap that number. Here you can see your phone number and just below that there's an option of who can see this number. Currently the setting has been saved to public. For that to be changed, you need to tap on the drop down menu, who should see this. From these options, you tap on only me and you need to go back. With this, that option will be changed to only me, which means only you will be able to see your phone number and all the other profile on Facebook will not be able to view your phone number on your Facebook profile anymore. So with this, you will be able to hide your phone number on Facebook and keep it private. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.